back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
Track record here for the 410s was Casey Kane in 2010 with a 10.2. Another comparable series for us, a little bit bigger motors, the 360s. Their track record is an 11.6, so let's expect them around the 12 range. Yep, quick time so far, Jaden Bolin, 12.312. The only driver here in the field that has competed at the gap before, Jake McLean, he's second right now. These drivers trying to get acclimated to the high banks of the gap. Now we're going to, like I said a minute ago, we're going to slow them down for a second, let them think about how the track is, how it feels with the wing of the car and the aerodynamics and everything with that, figure out what they got to change up, and we're going to let them go finish out their hot lap group. The Carolinas, then a second place finish in the Cowboy Classic at Beckley. Then kicked it off with 2 wins at Lakeview and Livonia. Then he went and ran with the USCS. His first ever starts with them. Won on his first night out. He beat NASCAR star Ricky Stenhouse Jr. to win that race. And then he missed our last race at Sumter to go run top 3 with USCS again at the Talladega short track. Bowling still top of the board, 12.239. Oh, McLean top of the board, 12.227. One more time around for these 305 sprint car drivers here at the gap. It's going to be checkered for Treese and Tyler. Top of the board for our radically fast hot lap presented by Rad Race Gear right now is the 67 of Jake McLean with 12 thousandths of a second ahead of Bowling in the 0-1 with a time of 12.227. When you see these sprint cars riding on the banking, it looks like they're about to just tip over and fall right on their wings. It's crazy. I knew this place was going to have a bunch of banking, and when I pulled up, we have the 11 of Gareth Palmer looking like he have an issue. It was on fire. I hope Gareth is okay there. When this methanol burns, it burns clear, so you can't see it. That's why you see Gareth patting himself down. I hope the Aussie Gareth Palmer is okay. Good job on him for getting out of that car quickly. It's scary when situations like that happen. We got the fire truck on the front stretch. Also, we keep all of our safety vehicles equipped with fire suppression systems. Yep. Suppressing the fire on that 11T Doolittle Racing Engines machine. The Doolittle has gone up in smoke. Dewey's not going to be too happy about that one. They're going to have to come back to the shop this week and figure out why that happened. There's one more car supposed to be in this group. I do not see him on track. That's the 75X of USAC legend Brian Tyler from Parma, Michigan, and the Well Doctor machine. He'll be out there for the main event. And also a rookie to the series in the 94 from Athens, Georgia. That's the 94 of Matthew Wall. Ben McCall was third in that last group. First couple laps coming in here. Quickest so far is Biscuit Williams in the 7. Couple tenths behind top of the board, Jake McLean. These guys got their first 2 laps to get acclimated with the track, and now they're about to go back to the green. One time coming up, and they're going to be putting down the blazing fast laps like they did in group number 1. Followed it up later in the year with a win at Cherokee. Back green for part 2 of hot lap group number 2, presented by Rad Race Gear. Going to be getting ready for Scott Performance Wire heat races. American All-Stars, you are up next. American All-Stars. Kale Kozad up to 4th, 12.567. White flag, one more time to go in Rad Race Gear hot laps here for the Carolina Sprint Tour, presented by GSR Chassis. Biscuit Williams up to third, bumping Ben McCall down the board. Last couple of times here, but officially it looks your winner of the Radically Fast Hot Lap Award tonight for the Carolina Sprint Tour is going to be the 67 of Henry Bridge, North Carolina's Jake McLean with a rapid time of 12.227, which for now is going to be official.